Update on the all-wheel drive car. We smoke tested it. There was no physical leaks. We smoke tested the charge pipe, and we smoke tested the air filters, the vacuum line from the charge pipe. Put smoke through it, nothing came out. Put smoke through the intake tubing to the turbo, nothing came out. So I'm assuming the wastegate is closed, and I put a vacuum on the wastegate and was able to see the wastegate move back and forth. So I assume that there's no physical boost leak in any vacuum lines or in the charge system through the intake and, you know, through the charge pipe and the intercoolant stuff. So I bought some boost solenoids. Maybe they failed, or these could be originals. So we're gonna take them out. So first, let's move this over a little bit. The reservoir, just to give myself a little bit more space. Let's put it up. And we're gonna move the sensors. Keys out the way. 1, 2 sensor removed. Just gonna tuck it over here. And the injectors and the oil packs. Now that we removed. Notice something. Well, vacuum line's been changed before. They came off easily. So I'll pop the vacuum lines off the first one. Let's move it out the bracket real quick too. Just add more space. Alright, glue solenoid number 1. Accessible. Go to T. Remember, the T line is gonna go second line, and then the single line goes up here to the canisters and will go in the front. So we have the new ones. That's some FCP. Part number. So the T line goes right here, and the single line goes to the canister, goes right there. It's a 10mm bolt. That's right here. This thing fits in all the tight spaces. I love it. AutoZone tool. And at your local AutoZone.
What's up? Yeah. I just came here, dropped off some groceries to this address. Right over here, and it was 2 big bags. I left it there. The person said he left it there. Yeah, and it was an old house.
Now popping off the second one. Got this off. The second line is a little. You know what? Move this reservoir out of the way a little bit. I'm gonna attack that line after I remove it. So I could, you know, twist it, give it a little twist a little bit, break the seizure that's going on in there.
I'll get this tin off.
2 bolts holding this. There's a bottom one too. Forgot. Shoot. This is the guy. Problems with the vacuum arm. Yeah. Try to pry it. It's really on there. These look like they're OEMs too. These things are definitely done. Hear that? Crack something. This thing's still not coming off. Finally got it off. That guy out. Now we're gonna work on the next one. Move this guy up again. Told you this wrench could fit anywhere. Old one's out. Get the new one in. Start off the back one. Catch the top bolt first. Top bolt caught. Let's catch the bottom. It's so hard to fish for something you can't see. Oh, I think I got it on this time. Oh, got the bottom bolt. Top one hand tighten. Go back down to the bottom. This guy's hand tighten too. Tight, nice and tight. There's the bottom one. Bottom bolt torqued. Now, about to put the front one screw. Front one, you can use a long socket. Caught up. We got the first bolt caught up. Have to get the bottom bolt. I'm trying to move this away a little bit. The bottom bolt. Man, I lost it. Bottom bolts always getting lost. Okay, recover it again. Tricky, but I got it. And tighten. And tighten. Bottom one torqued. Alright. Now remember what I said about the hose with the T? Goes on the side closer to the solenoid. Just shut all the way down. And the hose that goes to the canister goes in the front. Same thing with the back. The hose with the T goes on the fitting closer to the solenoid. Or you could say that's the right side. And then now we got the canister hose goes in the front. Put everything back in. Put the hoses back in, ready to go. We got the sensor. Pull it out. Pull it out. Of course, the short one's gonna go right here. Clip in. Long one goes on the front. Clip in. All the hoses is connected. And screw back on the reservoir. All set. Finished. That's how you change the boost solenoids. Get another video to flash. So we in the blue car, Pepsi. Change the boost solenoids, and then I think I was getting some weird codes, so I took out the JB chick. I'm about to see if she's gonna throw the 30FF still. It feels a little pulling a little better.